So Grostic was at home in his own clinic conducting research on each of his cases that came into the office. And by 1936, he had put together what he was calling the Grostic technique that was based off of x-ray and physics. And then by 1939, he began to introduce this technique to other chiropractors so that they could in turn take it into their clinics and gain even more insight into the procedure. One of the things that made Grostic's technique different than any other chiropractic technique at that point was that he did pre and post x-rays. So when a patient came into the clinic, he first took an x-ray of their upper cervical spine and he did his analysis by physics and vector angles to see exactly how things were misaligned. And then he applied his adjustment and immediately took post x-rays to see how things had moved in the upper cervical spine. And this work allowed him to begin to quantify how effective his technique was and fine-tune the physics that he was using to make the adjustment. So at this point in the late 1930s, the Grostic technique and the work that was being presented at the PSCC really represented the involved nature of the chiropractic care.